Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Open Drive storage and note the total used, for example 15 GB. Once done, immediately empty trash because deleted items still count. Make sure to empty Gmail spam too. Next, search Gmail for has, attachment larger, 10M and begin removing old large attachments you no longer need. This quick triage frees space fast and tells you whether the issue is fragmented across Drive, Photos, or Gmail, so you know which detailed path to take next. Now you move into the heavy lifting. Search Drive with size, 100M and sort largest first, then decide what to delete or export. Once you locate big Office files, convert them to Google Docs format to shrink storage use. Make sure formatting is acceptable. If duplicates exist, download a backup to local storage before removing them, because once you purge both Drive and trash, the files are gone. Also check shared folders where ownership matters. Transfer files to another account if needed to free your quota. To finish, audit Google Photos, switch to Storage Saver or remove large videos you don't need, because photos often consume most space. If cleanup isn't enough, consider Google One, a 100 GB plan at $1.99 per month is the common next step. If usage numbers lag after deletions, sign out of all devices, clear browser cache, and then sign back in. Make sure to wait up to 24 hours for Quota to reconcile. If that fails, contact Google support with specific file ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.